What's the meaning of coworker? Coworker. Coworker.
Co-worker. Co-worker. A coworker is someone who works alongside another person, typically within the same organization or company. The term can refer to anyone who shares a workplace or works on the same project or team, regardless of their rank or position. Coworkers are important for collaboration, communication, and productivity in the workplace, allowing individuals to share knowledge, skills, and resources to achieve common goals. Building positive relationships with coworkers can also promote a positive work environment and lead to increased job satisfaction and success.